Hi, today we're going to be unboxing the Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. And this could be useful for you if you need to rebox in the future. Let's get started. Okay, so we got the Osmo Creator Combo. We'll go ahead and cut it open. And let's see what we got inside here. Try to be careful with my boxes, as I usually save them in case I need to resell on eBay or just to someone on Facebook Marketplace or what have you. So usually it's just the outer plastic wrapping that I want to sacrifice. The rest of it I usually will try to preserve. Okay, first things first here. Looks like we got a seal, and we just need to pull. Seal is broken. And let's take a look here. Okay, taking the lid up. Let's see, it looks like we're out of focus. Are you going to focus for us? Hello? There we go. Alright, we got a gel pack in the top. We have the actual pack here itself. Looks like this. Looks like we got a manual in there too. We'll put that to the side for a moment. There is the Pocket 3 instruction booklet. You can see that. And then we also have another manual, and looks like somehow a thing to register the program, probably, or get software if you're on Android. I hear that's a thing. And then we also have some accessories here in the box, and looks like one more thing on the bottom. Another innocuous piece of paper. Let's see, I'm not sure really what this is for. We'll see in foreign languages, so probably have a copy of the manual in Chinese. Alright, let's take a look at what is in the extension box first and see what we have. Okay, this looks like the case, and then a box without anything else in it on this one. Let's take a look at the hard case here. This is in a adhesive style plastic wrapper, and looks like we have another Osmo Pocket 3 small piece of paperwork here. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. That was in there as well. And then the handle. This is where you're going to keep your extra wide-angle lens and ND filters. But that was in this package. Alright, let's get into the main part of the camera here. Again, has kind of that adhesive envelope, which feels like it's some kind of like silicone plastic. A little thicker than most plastics. Alright, and we have the DJI logo here. Looks like it has some different languages inside. There you go, if you want to check it out. Looks like we're losing focus again. There we go. If you can see that. That was attached to this loop. And now let's take a look at the case. So this should be the actual camera itself and the extra battery and all that kind of good stuff. Alright, so we have the unit itself. And still got the stickers and everything on it. Really nice, quite light. Let's go ahead and put that here to the side. We have what looks like a battery extension handle. It's also in another plastic envelope with adhesive on it. So we'll go ahead and keep that with the others. Yeah, so we got the plug-in handle with the release on it. It looks like on the back here there's actually a pull tab as well that's going to have some adhesive on it, so you could take that off also. Has some instructions there. So I don't know if you want to retain that. It's totally up to you, of course. But it is present. Looks like we also have a smaller... Oh no, this is the microphone. So we got the microphone in there. And quite nice. I'm looking forward to this. I've heard good things. Here's the smaller handle over here on the far side. Again, it's in another, the smallest of these plastic envelopes with the adhesive, just like the others. So I will personally be saving these if I need to rebox it with the others. And this one I hear doesn't have a battery in it. It's just kind of an extension in case you need a little bit more of a grip. Like myself, I have a little larger hand, so I'll probably use this if I'm not using the battery. Again, this one also has that removable adhesive sticker on the back. So let's see if there's anything else in the bag here. Yep, there looks like some accessories on the front of the pouch here, up here in the kind of the front lip right there. So I took the dead cat out of here, out of the front. But yeah, this will go on your mic. It's also in a small envelope with adhesive. Kind of similar to the one that we took the extension out of, only it's a little wider. So if you're looking at the different ones to try to decide what envelope, this one has the dead cat and looks like a little lanyard for the handle. And that all came out of the same package, so you'll put those back in the same one when you're reboxing. All right, let's put that aside. Next up, we got the power cable. So that will be what charges the unit itself. And let's see what else. We got a gel pack up in the front lip again, with the same place we got the power cable from. And looks like we had something here in the middle I missed. Let's take a look at this. It's also kind of a mid-size adhesive envelope. And, aha, this is the tripod base. So it was also in a plastic envelope with the adhesive. So again, I'm going to save that. And this, yeah, has the unfolding base on it. So I would just go back, same way we got it. All right, let's see. Anything else in here? We have a couple small items here in sort of the front sleeve. If you can see that there, it has a place where you can kind of slip in the smaller item. So this looks to be one of the lenses, probably the wide-angle lens. Let me put this down. Again, it's in the smallest of these plastic envelopes I've seen so far. Seems to be a theme with them. They like their plastic adhesive envelopes. But yes, that is your wide-angle lens. So I'm going to put that here on the side and put this away for later. And then in the other front pouch here on the other side, we have, what is this? I'm not sure. Let's take a look. Oh, it's a, I'm not sure what that is. It's a little DJI token of some sort. Black on one side, white on the other. I'm not really sure what this is. I didn't see this in anybody's review, but it was in this little plastic envelope, kind of tucked away right in the front. I'm going to have to research this. I'm sure it has some important function. But as of now, I'm in the dark about what it is. Okay, and that is everything in the box here. We got it all done. There was this insert, and this does remove, so you could, I guess, take this apart if you wanted to. But I'm just going to leave this in with all the other boxes I normally store in the place I normally store all my boxes until I'm ready to sell the Osmo Pocket 3. Anyway, hopefully this was a helpful video for you. If you enjoyed this, or if this was helpful to you, please give me a like down in the place that's applicable, and leave a comment for me as well. All right, thank you very much. We'll see you again here. Bye-bye.